Okay, so we're studying translations and phase shifts of sine and cosine. This right here is I think it's easier of the different forms of the equations that you can do. This is what I'm going to show you. Okay. This is the pre-AP worksheet that I'm going to give you today. This is how we describe it. Okay, your book, it does something different. Okay, your book looks like that. It's a touch different. Okay. Whatever's right after the sign is different. So it changes things a little bit, but we're not going to worry about it. The one on the right is a little more simple, but it's harder to graph. Okay. The one on the left is a little bit easier to graph. So we're going to use this. Granted, it's an introduction for you. Okay. What's the amplitude? Again? 1. Of that. What letter? A. Okay. The period. It's on the board. Nope. 2 pi over b. Because if you distribute this in, it's bx, right? And it matches that. All right. Okay. We have been graphing on the x-axis, right? That's what we can call the midline. That's where the function goes above and below it by the amplitude. In our case, y equals d is the midline. So it's just going to move it up or down. Having your knowledge from parent functions, okay, d does move up and down. Remember that. What is the c going to do? Left to right. Left to right. Yeah. Translate. Left to right is c. Remember, it's the opposite. So if you see x minus 3, that means go to the right 3 spots. X plus 3 means go left 3 spots. So let's graph one of these. And I'm going to do this in what's called a window pane. And then we're going to throw that window pane on a grid. So y equals 2 sine 1/2 x minus 1 plus 3. And I'm going to show you, it's just going to be really easy. Draw okay, let's figure out the amplitude is 2. Thank you, Jesus, for bailing everybody out. What's the period, Tylin?
2 pi over 1/2.
Okay, which is 4 pi? What is the midline? Chloe? Y equals 3. And then the translation? Right one. Okay. Are we all okay with figuring that out?
Y's the trans, right one. Opposite of that.
Yep. Just parent functions, same thing. We're just applying it to sine and cosine. What? Okay. Okay, here is windowpane graphing. Draw yourself a window pane. And we're going to insert all those numbers into it. I hope somebody heard that and is making fun of you right now on the internet. How far up and down are we going? 2. So this is plus 2 and minus 2, right? This point right here is 1, 3. That point is 1, 3. See where I got those numbers?
Yeah.
The translated right 1 and up 3. So 1, 3. Okay. What's the period of the function? 4 pi. And it's sine, right? Okay, so there's our window pane graph. We just have to put it on the coordinate grid. What's this point here?
1.
1, 1. So our grid, let me put it in color, will look like this. It's just, you just graph that. Up 1, 1. This one's a touch off because I put my grid a bit big, but this should be 1, and this pot would be 1 plus 4 pi, whatever that is. A lot of times when you mess with this number, it'll be in terms of pi, so your phase shifts will be in terms of pi. Okay. Does that sound easy enough? We're just, so if we took that graph, moved it left and up. The window pane just gives you an easy way to place it. Okay. Any questions? Okay, here's one for your on your own right now. So just give me, if you can do this, we'll be done. And if you need help, good time. Or need help.
Up 2, down 2, so.
How did you get the point 1, 3, and 1, 1?
Then that
Oh, the midline. So midline.
this value right, so it's actually X value is the same. Y value is lower. Y minus. Here. Y over. Just right.
How do you get the bottom?
How do you get the bottom left corner?
Yeah.
It's a Y value calculation. You know the X's are the same, right? But what did I do to get 3? The amplitude is 2, so 3 minus 2. In your case, this is 1, right? What's the amplitude?
Nope.
2. So 1 minus 2 is? No.
Oh, 1 minus 2 is -1.
So your bottom corner
Negative 1, 1.
is 1 negative 1. The X value stays the same. Yeah, it's a period. Okay, I see some people finished and I'll start marking mine up. That's right. This is 1, 1. The X value is the same, right? So it's 1. You agree with the area that we have. This is Y value 4. Drop 2. Yeah, which is 1, yeah.
Does the limit?
Those are coordinates. Carried 1 time. Maybe my helper. I'll drop my number. What?
Does the negative become a 2?
Yeah, flips it over.
So, and then upside down?
Yeah, I'll be all right.
You ready? You're not ready. He's all right now.
Ha ha! That was lame. I'm just gonna say it.
Wait, I'm choreographing to check my name.
Why don't you just check it with mine?
But I want you to check it so I know I got it right.
Okay, there's the graph with the values on it. Here's the grid. Okay, this is 1, 1, and 1, negative 1. You've just graphed it. Okay, I think we need another one. Yeah, we do.
I told you. I told you.
Just practice.
Why are we doing another one?
Because we need the practice on, I think.
We're doing another one?
Yeah. A few of you, I think, have it, but most of us need another one. I got submitted it.
So the strands be on high.
To the right. Watch, as soon as I go on, I'm ready to do my homework. I'm gonna close the one. This is like, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm like,
2 pi over 1 times pi.
2 pi over 1/3. It's the same as 2 pi times 3.
Why do my fractions look bad? What is this fraction though?
How do you do those trans on this one?
Pi units.
One.
Pi over instead of 1/3.
Do we need gradients?
We are radians.
Whoa,
Again.
whoa, what does that pi mean?
Translate it. Right 5 instead of 1. So 3.14 instead of 1.
You better this space. So our
Mr. Why am I fractions right now? Weird. Instead of being like a fraction, it used to be like number over here.
I know.
It's like that.
That's the old way.
What is like calculator revert?
I don't know. Maybe it's development. Put it in the arena and make it fight for its life. Leave the pi off the 2 divided by 1. I know it is. So it's 6 pi.
Oh, God. I used to play at the computer. I just
It's probably not in setting.
I didn't figure out 2 pi.
This is so good.
This is so
Not really just that fraction. 2 pi times. The midline is y equals 1, so it's 1 up. How far over to the right did you translate it? Pi, so it's pi 1. Because then there's that. Oh well, this is pi, 2 pi. That's what my graph looks like. Pi 1 is the midline's y equals 1, so that's right in the middle. It's pi to the right. I put a break here because my scale is off. But this is pi units on the period, and then the amplitude is 3, so down 3 and up 3. Okay. Are we okay with that? Oh yeah, I'll be here.
Is it down 3 and up 3 from the midline?
Yeah. Yes. Good. That's a good point.
Not that x-axis is going to
No, it's from the midline.
So does that look right?
Does it look right? Check mine. Okay. I took out, since the book is just a touch different, I took it out, this new stuff out of the homework. So it's number 3, it's the only new question, and the rest of it is the review. Okay, so again, this is prep for the final. Make sure you do those. You have about 7 or 8 minutes. Let me know if you have any questions.